Okay, so now I want you guys to try this one on your own. If you guys need help, then you guys can go back to the previous video and re-watch it. And remember that you guys can pause it at any time to write it down on your notes page. But I just want you guys to try this one on your own. So go ahead and pause this video and then do this problem on your own. And then when you have completed it, go ahead and press play and I will tell you the answer. Alright, so you guys should have this problem done. If you don't, then please try it on your own, because practicing these skills can make your life easier so that you guys can figure out if you need extra help on this or not. So first thing that you guys should have done was wrote down the formula, which was the 2LW plus 2HW plus 2LH, and this formula will be given to you guys on your quiz and test, so you guys don't have to memorize this. Your length was 3.7, so you should have plugged in 3.7 for L. Your width was 2.1, so you should have plugged in 2.1 for all of your W's. And then lastly, your height was 7.4, so everywhere that you saw an H, you should have plugged in 7.4, okay? And remember, to know that you have done this correctly, if it's not a cube and it's an actual rectangular prism, you want to make sure that all of your numbers that you're multiplying are different. Okay, if you have any that are the same, then you want to go back to make sure you plugged in your numbers correctly. Okay, so next step, thinking of PEMDAS, you should have multiplied your 3 sets of numbers that you have that are in between your plus signs. So your 2 times 3.7 times 2.1 should have given you 15.54. Then your 2 times 7.4 times 2.1 should have given you 31.08. And then your 2 times 3.7 times 7.4 should have given you 54.76. So then your last step is to add all 3 of these numbers together, and you should have got a grand total of 101.38 inches squared. Okay, so if you got that right, good job. If not, make sure you look at your work to see where your mistake was so that hopefully you don't make it again. So that's today's lesson. If you guys have any questions, make sure you email your teacher so that we can help you. But you guys are free to work on your homework. Thank you.